Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am Janine of TVOQ Crochet. I just wanted to come on to show you guys where I am with my cardigan, my hexagon cardigan, on how far I've gotten and what I have left to do. So I have done like the sleeves. Let me put it together so I can actually show you. I'm trying to match up all the ends. So that's one sleeve. And then I have another sleeve. And so I started working on my the center to like bring the two sleeves together in the back. So I'm working on a rectangle for the back section to just kind of put in for that extra space or whatever. So yeah, I'm currently working on that. So once I finish with this, I will actually line it all up and pin it together and then try it on to see where I'm at, and then I can either add on more if I need to, or I can move forward with actually doing the cuff part for my sleeves and my ribbon around the bottom and around the cardigan itself. And I also think that I may put buttons on it eventually. So we'll just see how far I get with that. But yeah, this is the whip that I am currently working on personal for myself. And I have been really like putting in the work to try to finish this because you know, we have fall coming up, cooler temperatures, so I want to be able to actually wear this cardigan this year not next year. So yeah, that's where I'm at with my cardigan. So I hope you guys like what you see. I hope that you are having a great day. You're having an amazing day. You've had an amazing weekend. And whenever you are seeing this, so that's what I'm working on, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.